everybody, happy 4th of July! Woohoo!
Boy, I can't keep you off my mind.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July. It's so beautiful outside right now.
We're walking a part of New York we've never walked before. We've actually never gone on the East River uptown walking the East River for some reason. We don't know why we've never done that. But it's pretty amazing.
Spectacular.
So after walking for a while, we made our way into town and found a Puerto Rican restaurant. And we thought we'd order something we never had before. So we ordered
Mofongo. It's plantains, crackling, and something else all ground up together. It seems to be amazing.
It's all with diners,
drive-ins, and dives. So hopefully it'll be good.
You look exceptionally beautiful today.
That's me to be fair. We found another community garden. It's so peaceful. You can hear the sound of the waterfall. I think we're in the Lower East Side somewhere. We stumbled upon it and
We'd never be able to get back.
we'll never be able to get back.
Just swallow a bug?
Bug just went in my eyeball. Okay, scratch.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
We are on Fulton. There's the World Trade Center. Fair going on today. We got some delicious. Can I have some?
It's summer.
It's officially summer when you have watermelon. Oh, that's bacon.
Bite it. Oh, bite it. So we're down here on the East River and we're just waiting for the fireworks to start. So exciting. It's pretty crowded, but still fun.
How you feeling about the crowds, honey?
It's a little much, but it's okay. It's going to be worth it because we got good seats.
How much longer?
We have
10 minutes.
6.
Oh my goodness. And And after a few hours, it all paid off. Magic begins. I mean, really, you have to experience the Macy's fireworks on the 4th of July in person at least once in your lifetime. It was pretty spectacular, and these are a few of our favorites.